Hey beauties, it's Daisy here and I'm back with another wig tutorial. This time we have a U-part wig and it looks so natural. I'm going to show you how to get this look. Hey beauties, I'm back and I got my braids already set. These are my ODB braids. If you don't know, that's old dirty bastard and too young. We are going to install this U-part wig. So here is how the wig is looking before I install it. It had a little piece here, I already cut it off just to make sure I have the right amount of space for my hair. First things first, I'm gonna tie up my braids in the back. Usually I don't tie them up because I just have a stocking cap on and it just keeps my braids where they need to be. But since we're not using a stocking cap, we're just gonna pin these up. All right, we're good to go. I got my leave out here and we're just gonna pop this wig on. So I was so excited to do a U-part because I used to always wear sew-ins and they look way more natural than wigs. And I want to go back to looking more natural and I feel like this will be perfect. Yes, it's already looking good. This is so easy to do. It's like a quick pop on your wig and go. We're just tucking the hair under the wig where my braids are, and this hair is really soft so far. Now this was so easy. I just put the 2 combs here, I got my leave out, and I'm just gonna curl this hair and then we're gonna blend in the leave out. We're gonna start off with some argan and Morocco oil. I'm just gonna put a little dab, rub it through my fingers and put it on each side of this wig. We don't want too much oil. So I just put enough oil in here just to make sure that the hair is moisturized, but not too oily. Now this hair is body wave texture, so it already has that wave in here. So it's gonna be really easy to curl. We're gonna take bigger sections and make this cute. So the curls are done and I lost some of the duck clip. That's why some of these are just hanging, but hey, whatever. We're using this Got to Be spray, the hairspray to keep the curls intact. I'm gonna take out my natural hair, the leave out, and I'm gonna take some more of that argan oil put it all throughout my hair. Alright, and now we're gonna add a little bit more hairspray. And we're gonna start taking out these curls. See how this comes out. Ooh, so far so good. Just gonna run my fingers through this so I don't mess up the curls. This blends so well with my natural hair. Like, look at that. Yes, looks super natural. Can't tell me that's not my hair. Right, then I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb and gently kind of comb these curls in the direction I want. Probably gonna have to curl it again a little bit. Now I'm gonna take my dots to be glued in the black bottle. I'm gonna do a few little swoops in the front. And this has a really strong hold, so that's why I'm gonna use it in the summertime. So. So here is the final result. I absolutely love this wig. You cannot even tell where my natural hair ends and the wig begins. It just blends in so well. I probably need to curl this side one more time, but it won't stay as curled as this side, so I don't know. But it looks so good. This hair is super soft. This is an everyday wig. Like, I should have tried U-part wigs before. This is actually my first time trying U-part wigs, and I'm absolutely in love. If you guys haven't already, check out LUVME Hair. I have all the information in the description box about this hair and where you can get it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. And until my next video, bye.